Hello, I'm here at the pond and I'm gonna listen for a frog. Hannah, what sound does the frog make?
Ribbit.
Or ba-doom. That was the frog. A bullfrog, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So one night, me and Alex were cuddling in bed and we heard the frogs outside and they were going choo, choo. Heard it again. I can hear birds and frogs from my room.
A couple birds too.
I hear. What is it? You're a loud frog, aren't you?
I know.
It must be a male calling for a female to mate, I think.
I bet it is.
Look what's on me. It's a bug. I caught some spiders today, didn't I, Hannah?
Yep, you
And-
rescued me.
And a green beetle really looked good on my skin, huh? When I was having lunch, what we had for lunch? We had mangoes with loads of seasoning.
Tahine, chili lime seasoning.
And I had it with sushi rice and crab and seaweed. And we had popcorn chicken. I got those duckweeds in my room and the wasps really like them.
Do they?
Yeah. I get bees and wasps in my room all the time and I love it. I got a queen bee in my room. Hello, bullfrog. Oh, I think that's I can't think of what kind of bird that is, but I'm not sure what kind of bird that is. Do you know, Hannah?
I don't.
I know that the black-capped chickadee goes, and the robin goes, and the red-winged blackbird goes, and the dove goes, hoo, hoo, hoo. Something flew by, a bird or something.